This 13 to 13.3 inch Atailorbird laptop sleeve is very similar to another one I reviewed last year from TomTalk, but this one comes in $4 cheaper. The outside material is a bit stiff, hence the lines you see here, but it also feels more water resistant. And I tried to steam those lines out. The lines may have not come out, but the steam did not get in. Good on you guys. The inside sports a similar velour type material with about a half a centimeter worth of padding on the large inside surfaces. But the bottom sliver doesn't seem to have any additional padding. But then again, a soft case isn't meant to protect you from hard drops. It's more about conveniences in a small package. You can fit a decent amount of gear inside along with the laptop, although it can get pretty tight. In case you were wondering, those zippers feel really nice, and the tabs have the logo embossed. There are many sleeves out there in the world, but finding a decent one for $11 like this makes it a pretty good option. It can fit a 2015 MacBook Pro like mine. The new 13-inch MacBook Pro is even slimmer, and will get you even more space behind that front zipper. It also fits the 14-inch YogaBook 910 and the Microsoft Surface. Hit the link below if you want to check these out, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.